Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Tech. Now in this next video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up your Google Chrome browser with GPU rasterization feature. Now GPU rasterization is a built-in feature on Google Chrome that's designed to improve your browser's performance, especially if you have a PC that runs on a dedicated graphics card. So with GPU rasterization, you are allowed to use your GPU to render web content instead of relying entirely on your CPU. So that means that you have access to smoother scrolling, faster page loads, and a better overall browsing experience, especially if you are dealing with heavy websites or animations. So now let me walk you through the steps to activate GPU rasterization on your Chrome browser. So the first thing is to launch your Chrome browser, and you'd want to access the Chrome experimental feature section, and we go to do that from the Chrome flag. So just go to Chrome and then :/ and flags. Alright, so we are now on the experimental section, and from here just search for GPU rasterization. You can see that right there. So you come to the drop down here and click on enabled. Alright, so once you enable that, you see a prompt to relaunch Chrome. So just go ahead and click on relaunch and Chrome will restart, and GPU rasterization will now be active on your Google Chrome. So this tweak will offload some of the work from your CPU to your GPU, making Chrome smoother and more efficient for your PC. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.